Alright guys, I am installing a ZL1 spoiler on my SS, and for the third brake light that comes with the spoiler, I'm going to wire it into the factory brake light, the factory third brake light right there. But if you ever need to replace that third brake light, I'll show you how to get a hold of the trim and everything. At first I thought I was going to get through the trunk and then see it under here. Nope, you got to go in this damn thing. So, anyways, I get in here and I rip my back seat out, which is pretty easy. It just, the spots clip in right here, the two fronts, and then you just pull the bottom piece out, you know, feed the belt buckles through, and then the back seat that lowers down is right here. You flip it down this way, and then you line up the little notch, you know, to pull it out that way, and that's how you get your back seat out. But anyways, if you're looking to wire in to that factory third brake light, this little sucker right here that comes off the harness, passenger side, that is your third brake light wire. So I'm just going to run my ZL1 third brake light wire back this way. Now if you want to get this trim out and replace your factory third brake light, you got 4 little push pots right there, little push pins right there, right there, right there, and then one over there, a Christmas tree if you will. So you get them out the way, and I'll pull the driver and passenger side trim off the wall. They just pop out and slide out your way. And other than that, you pop them all up. I got it in the trunk. Let's see. Yeah, I got it in the trunk, and you'll see. There you go. There you go. There's one right there. They got a few of them in the trunk. The blue little, you know, push connectors that pop in. You want to pull them out or push them up through. Makes it easier. Then you push this up. Now I had to take this. I had to take my trim and bow it up in the center pretty hard to get it to clear your trim right here and over here on the passenger side. Oh, I got sweat all over it. Whew. So you pull them up after you pop everything in, and then the whole thing just comes up and slides toward you. I pulled mine out one side at a time after all the pins were up, and to put it back in, you just reverse your steps. And I'm about to wire in my third brake light for the ZL1 spoiler right here. Again, that is the wiring for your factory third brake light. Comes off of this harness that runs on the passenger side. Well, it's the only pigtail that comes off right here, and it's probably wedged up in there like this, but this pigtail is for the factory third brake light. All right, gentlemen, I hope that helped anybody that wants to install one or wants to remove the factory third brake light. But it is possible. It's a pain in the butt, but after I get her on there, after I get the third brake light in, wired in, you know, I'm going to have the factory third brake light and both that brake lights. So really it's going to be pretty sweet. But anyways, alright guys, hope this vid helped. Y'all comment, let me know if there's anything else y'all want to know about the car or things y'all want to see me do. Have a good one.